15 realistic hobbies that can genuinely change your life. 1. Working out consistently, not for a six-pack, not to impress people, but because exercise changes your energy, confidence, discipline, and mood. Even a 30-minute workout makes you feel more in control of your life. People underestimate how much physical strength affects mental strength. 2. Learning a skill online. Editing, coding, designing, speaking, writing, anything. A hobby skill today can become income tomorrow. And the best part is, learning something new makes you feel productive instead of just entertained. That feeling changes your confidence completely. 3. Reading for 10 minutes a day. Not to look smart, not to flex books online. Just reading a few pages daily improves your focus, communication, and thinking. You start understanding people better. You stop reacting emotionally to everything, and over time, your mindset becomes calmer and sharper than most people around you for. Going on walks without your phone? Sounds simple, but most people can't even stay alone with their thoughts anymore. Walking without music or scrolling clears mental pressure. Some of your best ideas, decisions, and realizations happen during silent walks. It teaches you how to slow down in a world addicted to speed. 5. Creating content online. You don't need millions of followers. Posting videos, writing posts, or sharing ideas teaches confidence and consistency. At first, nobody notices, but over time, you become comfortable expressing yourself instead of hiding your personality. 6. Learning about money, budgeting, saving, investing. Basic financial knowledge changes your future. Most people work hard but still stay stressed because nobody taught them how money actually works. This hobby can literally save you from years of regret later. 7. Learning communication skills, public speaking, storytelling, or even simple conversation practice. Your life changes when you know how to express yourself clearly. Opportunities, friendships, confidence, all improve when you communicate better. It's one of the most underrated skills ever. 8. Photography or videography. This hobby changes how you see the world. You start noticing small details, lighting, emotions, moments. It also improves creativity and storytelling without you realizing it. And in today's world, content creation is actually a valuable skill. 9. Learning how to manage your time. Most people aren't lazy, they're distracted. Learning simple time management can completely change your daily life. Planning your day, reducing screen time, and focusing on important tasks helps you feel more in control instead of constantly stressed. 10. Learning how to stay away from negativity. The content you watch and the people around you affect your mindset more than you think. When you stop consuming constant negativity, drama, and comparison, your mind feels lighter. Protecting your peace is actually a life-changing habit. 11. Meditation. Most people avoid silence because their mind feels messy. Meditation teaches you how to control your thoughts instead of letting your thoughts control you. Even 5 minutes daily can reduce stress and improve focus. 12. Spending time alone productively. Learning how to enjoy your own company builds emotional strength. You stop depending on constant validation from others, and that changes the way you live completely. 13. Playing a sport. Sports teach discipline, teamwork, patience, and how to handle pressure. And honestly, some of the best memories in life come from simply playing and enjoying the moment. 14. Journaling your thoughts. Writing things down helps you understand yourself better. You realize what's stressing you, what's wasting your time, and what actually matters to you. Most people carry confusion in their head for years because they never sit down and reflect. 15. Learning self-discipline. Doing things even when you don't feel like it changes your entire future. Small habits like making your bed, finishing tasks on time, or staying consistent build mental strength slowly. Discipline gives you confidence because you start trusting yourself more. The truth is, your hobbies slowly become your lifestyle. The things you repeat every day shape your future more than motivation ever will. So choose hobbies that improve your mind, your health, and your life little by little.